We've just decided in the last minute to come and check out these hives. A mate of mine's neglected, and we're going to see if we can bring any home with us, see if there's any activity in them. Yeah, look at that, they're completely overgrown. I bet there's no bees in these at all now.
But these have all got waxed up.
Oh, they're coming out, Paul.
Out this one?
No, out of that one, you'll get stung again. Ooh, ah. Last time we came last year, he got stung on his head. These Spanish bees are dead aggressive. Not like them English bees, man.
They've eaten them all out, these have all gone.
Look, they've all been infected with this wax moth.
Yeah.
Ah!
They're alright.
Just slight overreaction.
Look, wasps.
Ah.
Wasps have gone in there.
That looks like it's got a lot of activity in there, though.
There's no weight in it.
No, but maybe we need to open it up and have a look.
There'll be a new swarm gone in.
There's a load of bees in there, though.
Yeah.
Look, can I see them? We've decided we're going to take this box because it's got some bees in there, but there's a lot of wax moth, and we're going to get them into that new box that I've just cleared up today. So we've got them in the new location. I don't know if you can see it though. Pitch black. We're going to leave it till tomorrow morning and then we're going to brush them in. We'll see what happens. It's time for a cup of tea. Oh man, that's hot. Let's get that bee suit on. So good morning, it's really early. We're going to open it up now together and see what's really inside there, man. And I'm expecting it to be quite devastated with a wax moth. Just look how light this is. Maybe it's just me, I just might be a super strong kind of guy. Now I've brought some plastic bags just because any really bad frames that are super infected, I'm going to put them in there, close it up right away. Here we go, Here we go. Oh, wax moth everywhere. Dead bee there. Wow, that is just completely stuck together. Look at that. Look at that, eh? Little wax moth there. Horrible little... Oh no, my knife's gone inside. I tell you. Look at the wax moth there. Look at it. Just look at that. Man. Oh, that is just terrible. Terrible, man. He's completely destroyed in there. Completely. Look at that. All destroyed. I don't even know what the bees are doing here, to be honest. Look at this. That's wax moth for you. That's wax moth. Ah, we've got a nice bit of... Let me just get... That's where the bees are there, look. That looks brand new, that comb. Let's just separate this up a little bit. This might have been... Because we are in swarm season. Oh wow, they're getting aggressive. Whoa. I tell you, you don't get that with English bees, man. I'm going to go and get the smoker. They're just way too aggressive. I didn't think they would be. Let's get that smoker going. Smoker at the ready. Whew. Tell you, what always worries me is what if little bee or they get through the suit and I'm running around with like my face just covered in bees, like that film Swarm. So there's a nice bit of healthy hive there. There's no frames left. The frame foundation that was being obviously in here before is completely gone. So what I'm assuming, and don't get me wrong, I am a noob, so I'm just guessing from what I've learnt so far, it is swarm season. I think this could be actually a new swarm that's moved into this abandoned beehive, and it's building on the existing bit of wax what's left on the frames from before, because otherwise there would be some foundation there. So what we're going to do is gently take this off. Look at that. Can you see that? Take a look at this. Like, you can see the old foundation a little bit there in that corner. Look at that, man. I don't even want this near my apiary. So what I'm going to do is shake it off into this bag. In fact, might as well scrape the rubbish into this hive box, just like that, look. This is like these nightmare wax moth videos I've seen on YouTube. Look at them here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in my box, let them maybe start building onto the foundation, and then start taking this stuff out and freezing it. This is what has been suggested to me. So I'm just trying to clean it while it's in situ. There's a bit of brood comb there. Look at that there. It's amazing how that smoke really does calm them down a bit, you know. Bloody hell, it's going to knock me out. Alright, let's get that in the hive, man. Just pop that in here like that. So look at that there. Definitely though, from my expert opinion, I reckon this is a new swarm that's moved in. Definitely. Let's just look at the smoke coming from that now, man. I'm like a choo-choo train. Back box, look at that. Look. That's terrible, eh? That is terrible. Little wax moth there, look at you, you little disgusting little creature. There, another one. That is horrible, man. Horrible. Let's get that in the bag. Bless the little cotton socks. Hopefully they'll have a good fighting chance to kill any straggling wax moths. I'm going to order some cedar oil from the internet as well, from Amazon, because apparently that's a great natural, biological, organical, musical deterrent for wax moth. Look at that, man, just look at that. My back's killing. Oh, I'd have made these little tables a lot higher if I knew how tiring it would be on my back. Man, I'm running out of battery. Oh, we've got to get this finished up quick for you guys. Wow, Look at that, we nearly got a full frame there. Oh, it's full of honey. Can you see that honey glistening in the light? Well, it's not honey, it's probably more like nectar, it's not capped or anything. But look at that. Can you see that there? Probably not because it's right against the sunlight. Let's turn it. Oh, look at that, that's a lot better for you. Look at the nectar there. That is so cool, man. So many people just don't get to see this up close and personal. Wow. That's it for this video. I'm going to tidy everything up, get stuff out of there, try and give these bees time to move over there quickly, and then close it up. We'll have another look in a week's time, hopefully this year, man. We've got a nice strong hive. We get rid of that wax moth. It's been fun anyway. I wasn't expecting to be doing this morning, but hey, you know, that's how my life is. Like and subscribe this video. I'm going to be working on some more videos to come. Got a really awesome ant poison, natural and organic, dead cheap to make. They eat it up, kills them, takes about a week, and in general to get rid of your ant problem in the hive. Really good stuff, man. And it's all natural, you know, you don't need all this harmful chemical rubbish that's causing so much devastation in the world today. So we're going to be doing that. We're going to be making bird boxes and stuff, and I've got some carnivorous plants videos to make as well if you're into that kind of stuff. So stay tuned, hit that bell notification button so you don't miss anything up and coming. I'm going to try and pop out videos quicker. Tend to waste so much time just editing the videos, but I'm going to try and make them more snappy and not just fart and tart about with all the little extras. So anyway, it's been great to catch up with you guys. See you later.